baby. Okay, this is a baby circle. Just make it circle. Okay, this is so easy, so cute. You can do it very easily. And I make this after that the another circle, another oval like this. Make small oval here. We are making more one. The small baby also fishing. So I do this first line like this. Okay, like this. And here I created two lines. One for the torso, one for the pelvis. Okay, one for the pelvis, one for the torso, one for the pelvis. Two circle. Okay, very simple. For two circle. Now I just make it the hand and we are making this. The body and head is done. Okay, so you can create now the leg and hand. It's also very simple. I'm using the blue on the another pencil. I'm searching my pencil. Why are my pencil going? Please come on, my pencil. I searching my blue pencil. Why am I going? Okay, I don't get my blue pencil, so I using this pencil. कहाँ गायब हो गई? Okay, so now here I just make it this two leg, one leg like this. Here is one leg, it's very small. Okay, do this leg very simple, oval like this and oval. Okay, and hand from torso. This is two leg is coming from torso. Okay, this is the torso. From torso two leg is coming, and for pelvis two hand coming. So like one hand. He's also fishing. He also fishing this fish. Okay, one hand and two hand. Okay, from the pelvis the hand is coming. Okay, from the torso. This is head, torso, pelvis. Okay, so here you can make it.
So I think this is Deva.
Yes, I like you. The apple or banana. This is the song Deva and Eva. Allah to ik apple or banana. I like my daddy. So this is the Deva and Eva. He's also fishing, but he's fishing with the net. That using the net and create this. I love to did it, and he's great. He got that. Ishan is showing. Ishan. Good afternoon, Ishan. Where are you? Good night, Ishan. So, okay, we'll start classes just 1 minute. Okay, I create one like scenery for kids. This is Dave and Eva. I like to eat apple or bananas. This is Dave and Eva.
I know, sir.
You know Dave and Eva?
Yes, sir. I'm ready to do all this.
Okay, your little sister or brother?
Yes, sir.
Your brother watching this is.
This is game of football.
Yeah, Dave and Eva one.
Yes, sir. They will give up. The lines will be like some cartoon lines, sir.
Yeah, this is some car.
Some cycle will come. They put all the pages and then there's a magic all them will come there.
Yes, I love to see this cartoon. My baby is watching this cartoon. It's so sweet. This is so passionate. It's so love this cartoon. And
The drawing is good.
yeah, I like it. I draw this. That's why this is cartoon. I make scenery. So just 2 minutes. We have a 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I make the two sceneries. Here is a Dave and Eva. I make it. Okay, you are.
Yeah, that blue color dress.
Yes.
And that baby is orange color like this one. And that girl is blue color.
Blue color and orange color. Right. So.
And then you will write the name on the pencil.
Oh, right.
The name will be of the time. Old MacDonald had his farm. Some people they will write a name will be there on the board.
Oh, McDonald had a farm. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This.
And it's a government helmet also.
Yes. You are absolutely correct.
I know this, sir. He always uses it.
Oh, I like to see.
Whenever he gets his iPad, he watches.
Okay, my baby is watching, and then sometimes I'm also watching, and it's really so good. It's so cute characters.
Yes, sir. They got the kids.
Yeah, that's why I thought, why not I draw this one? It's so kids are so love it,
Yes, sir.
love to see it. This.
They have so many rights when they go to the channel.
Yeah, in YouTube channel, they have lots of rhymes and all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we for the kids batch, today I teaching this last 2 weeks. I love to show this show Dave and Eva, and it's so easy to draw also for students.
Yes, sir. It's so easy.
Yes. So I start the drawing for your batches. Start 2 minutes, giving the 2 minutes. So I finish the inking.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Okay, it's. I just make it inking.
Sir, did I come to a dispatch?
Sorry, beta.
Sir, did I talk to a big people's batch?
Yeah, this is the batch. I start this now. You are now the perfect batches. This is the senior batch only. All student is there. Just I take time 2 minutes. Okay. I just finished this little bit. Okay. So students can see my YouTube's and they are making something.
Sir?
Yeah, this is all I share my YouTube channel.
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
Thank you. Here's some fish.
Sir, do you work in Byju's?
I'm working in Byju's. How you know?